Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Instagram focuses on user privacy and data protection. So, follower lists are typically private and the platform doesn't notify users when someone follows another user. Here are some ways you can gain insights into someone's new followers. First, follow their account. If you follow the account, you will receive updates on your feed when they share posts or stories. This way, you can see new followers as they engage with their content. Second, check their follower list. That way, you can track when they gain new followers or receive likes and comments. Third, mutual followers. You can see mutual followers between your account and the user's account. While this doesn't show you their complete list of followers, it allows you to identify accounts that follow both of you. Fourth, third-party tools. Some third-party apps and websites claim to provide followers insight, including new followers. Be cautious when using such tools as they may not comply with Instagram's terms of service or privacy policies. It's important to note that on a private Instagram account, the list of followers is not publicly visible to anyone except the account owner. This includes the list of new followers. Instagram's privacy settings are designed to protect the privacy of users and their followers. If you want to see the list of new followers on private account, there are no direct and legitimate methods available because the follower list is not accessible to the public or other users. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.